our managing trustees, Srimati Saraswati Kannayan ma'am, Dr. Priya ma'am, Principal Dr. Punnusamy sir, Convener Dr. Anuradha ma'am, and most inviting speaker of the day, Dr. Rajkumar sir, of a special address on how to make an interactive free online quiz.
Dr. Rajkumar sir, kindly proceed, sir. Dr. Rajkumar sir, dear participants, kindly mute your audio.
Am I, hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Visible?
Sir, it's not visible, sir.
Is it okay, ma'am? Hello?
Sir, it's not visible, sir.
Start sharing, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. I think now
I request the participants kindly mute your audio. Don't present your screen.
it's visible.
Haryan, sir, whose video and audio is on, sir?
So I have shared my screen.
Mr. Yuvraj, kindly mute your audio. Mr. Yuvraj, kindly mute your audio. Sir, your screen is presenting now,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am. So a warm good morning to one and all. To give an online demonstration making of interactive quiz using free website. Raj from Vivekananda College, Madurai. 5 days national online FDP, ICT based teaching and learning tools organized by Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So, so testing and evaluation tools. So I have shown here testing and evaluation tools, but today I am going to discuss online quiz using testmas.com. So do is Google address bar, you just type testmas, TESTMOZ, then click enter. So this is the page will open. So testmas full but simple test generator. So you have to click this. Of testmas.com. Here you can see home, features, frequently asked questions, build a test, login or sign up. Using free version, so I'm going to give a demonstration of creation of a quiz. Option called this one, and after clicking this, one like will open here the test name, and we have to give a password. Remember this password. So they have shown some warning here, so you should not forget the password here, so you cannot retrieve the password later. And also there will be a creation of URL link. Remember that link also. So here I am going to give one name. Right. And I have to give a password. So a password, then I have to retype the password. I have given the test name and I have chosen a password and type that password. Here you should not forget this password. So after entering your password, you have to click create test. See, this is a create test. You have to click this. So this is the home page of test current affairs. So I have created a of one test. You can see so current affairs, dashboard, and settings, questions, results. Here I am going to add questions, or you can this bar also. Here add questions. So I am going to add questions. You have to click this. After clicking this, page will appear like this, and what you have to here insert. So I'm going to insert. I have to click this. Question. You can give a multiple choice questions with one correct answer and multiple choice questions with more than one correct answer and true or false questions and fill in the blanks questions and essay type questions. So you can give of questions in free version of test marks. So I am going to give multiple choice question with one correct answer. So I have to click this. It will appear. So you may ask me what is the difference between creation of a quiz in Google Form in test marks. So in form you cannot give a subscript and superscript. So for science people, we have to give some superscript and subscript for equations and formula. Google quiz you cannot give any uh, cannot give any superscript subscript, but in test mass you can give a superscript and subscript. Things question copy and paste. So I am having some directly type the questions. So who is the governor of RBI? Type the question and I'm going to give the options. Here there is choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. These are all. So I need to give the options here. So click this, give your options. So, so I have typed the question here and I have given the options also. So I have to select options here. So then you have to select the correct options. Here you can see some symbol. This you have to click this for shuffling your options as well. So if you want to conduct a quiz for 50 students, if you click this, and 50 students will get a different, the shuffling between the answers as well as the, so to give, this is Word file open. Then I'm going to add another question. And you can paste it here. So to add another question, I have to do again, go to insert and multiple choice, choose one. You can paste it here and give your have to paste it separately. So this is the template. So paste it. You have to answer. So which of the following is known as the pink city of India? The correct answer is Jaipur. Select Jaipur. So I'm going to add multiple choice with more than one correct answer questions. And I'm going to type another question. So which of the following is a funding agency? I am giving here and UGC and PST. So fifth person I'm giving a PRNS. More than one thing to select the correct options here. So the funding agencies are UGC, CSIR, DST, and BRNS. Online platform for learning. So I have given 3 questions here. I am going to add true or false questions. You have to select this. So I'm giving a, there are true or false question. Copying. So the expansion of NPTEL is a national program on technology enhanced learning. So the correct answer is this is a true. So click this true. And another question here. Following, you can add match following type of questions also. Select. So this is option. You can edit the options. Questions you can edit according to your need. Here you can edit this. Okay. To add fill in the blanks type question. So here, so fill in the blank. You have to select this. I need to give the questions. So I'm giving how many are there in rainbow. This is filling the blanks type questions. Here we have to give the correct answer. The students may give a numerical one or the words. So, for example, correct answer is 7. Here, a possible answer, because some students may write in the letters also, words also 7, and some students in the may be written in the capital letter. So here there is D. If you select this, both the capital letter as well as the small letter as the correct answer. So this is the filling types of question. Again, go to insert. So this is essay type questions. And write a note on global economy for the students to answer. So this is a great types of questions. Here, give any marks to the questions. Here, if you want to give one marks, or if you want to give 2 marks for this quiz, you can. Here also you can give any. Suppose if you want to give any superscript, so I'm going to add one question. Which of the following is an example of acid? Here this is a question. So I'm going to use some superscript and subscript. Here, suppose I want to give a, for chemistry or science people, this two should be in the subscript. So whatever the text you type, so this is the table will appear. You can bold the text. Suppose I want to bold this question, you select this question, and here this is a B. This is for a bold. If you select this, will be bold. Italics for botany people. So if you want to give some italics to the genus name, a plant name, you can select this italics. Lot of options here. You can underline or you can superscript, subscript, give any hyperlink also. This is URL link. You can give any YouTube link or your website link. You can insert here. Here we can increase the font size as well. Any font size, or you can choose any colors. See here, so there are different colors. So you can select any of these color. Suppose I want to insert some images. So I'm going to insert some image here. So this is insert image. If you click this, so this is will open, and here, so in the paid version you can insert the image of your drive, but in the free version you can upload any Google.
Sir, PPT was
Insert an image.
PPT
Sir, some disturbance, sir. I remove him, sir. I remove her, sir. You please continue, sir.
Okay, thank you. And I am going to insert an image at internet. Here, insert some this. Suppose if you want to insert any images, so I want to insert this image. You have to right click this and copy image address. See, can open image in new tab or save images, copy image address. You can select address and can paste that link. Insert. So I have inserted an image from Google Images.
Sir, PPT is not visible.
Add another image in the.
Dear participants, kindly pin presentation of resource persons PPT. Dr. Rajkumar's presentation. Kindly pin Dr. Rajkumar's presentation to see his hands-on training. Sir, sorry for the interruption, sir. Please continue, sir.
And I'm going to insert an image in the options. See here, image, and this is a tab will appear. Any one of the images from here, click, and you have to copy image address. So copy image address, select this. In this class, here you can paste it and click insert. Inserted options as well as in the questions. So like this you can insert in a free version. If you go for a paid version, you can insert any image in your drive. From your system, you can upload any image. You have a test. So like up to you can add 50 questions. So I'm talking about a free version of. So in free version, you can add 50 questions free on any type. It may be multiple choice questions, multiple choice with more than one correct answers, fill in the blanks, match the following. Like this, you can add 50 questions, and at a time, 100 participants can participate in this test. If you want to conduct a quiz for your students, it's in the free version. And after inserting your questions, what you have to do is you have to publish this in the left side. There is a tab called publish. So you have to click the page will appear. Need to publish. So you have to click publish. The test has been published. Link of a created test. Here you should not forget this link. This link in your in your so you cannot retrieve, and the password is also very important. So this, if you want to conduct a test, you have to send the link. So this is the link. So testmaster.com/4. So this is the unique link of your test. This link to your students. This link. So this is the page. Will so here can see student login, administration. This is a name I have given. Current affairs. Here enter your name. The student has to enter his or her name. Giving one name. After giving the name, start. You have to select start. So this is the test page. Even the shuffle options. So here the questions as well as have been shuffled to give any answer here. So answers. This is essay type questions. So this should be evaluated manually. And other type of questions will be valued by the system, or essay type questions we need to do correction or manual valuation. So here I have to select
என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா இப்போ லிங்க் கண்டினியூ பண்ணு பக்கத்துல இருந்து ஹெல்ப் மட்டும் பண்ணுவோம்
and I am giving answer.
என்ன பண்ண சொல்ற?
2 mark 3 mark பேஜ் எழுதி போட்டு ஊத்தலாம். அந்த மாதிரி ஹெல்ப் பண்ணி இங்க வந்து
Or you can give any.
Thank you.
I have to select this match the following type of questions. Selecting the answers. So this is a true or false question. So I am giving false. Wrong answer. So this is a multiple select questions. More than one correct. Okay. And after giving the quiz, submit. So you can see, so after the students will be able to, so 72% of score, so out of 10 questions, 25, and you can also see the correct answers. Here, so I have given the, but this is the correct answer. And the match the following also, it will show like this. So this is awaiting score. So here this is essay type questions. So manual evaluation should be done here. Or if you want to conduct only multiple choice or fill in the blanks, choose the best answer, you can conduct. Student point of view, suppose I have sent the link to 100 students, results of the students. So for that you have to go to administration. So this is admin password. This is password we have given, creation of test. Password. Of the here you can select this. Can see the name of the student, what time he starts the test. So how much time did the student take to complete the quiz? Can see. So this is the questions. Sir, here you can see the question, third question, and also the wrong. You can see. So first three questions are correct. It's wrong. So this is partially correct because this is correct, and eighth question is a okay. So this is the results page. Students, which means if 100 students have participated in this quiz, then 100 name will appear like this. Report this results in an Excel format. So for that, here ESV is there and point grid. So or you can copy these results and paste it in your Word file, or if you click this point grid, like this, click this point grid, and your Excel file will download. Here, software. So you can download your file also. See here. So in this column, the name will appear. So this is the starting time of examination of the particular student. This is the end time and what percentage he secured. He earned out of 10. So here, this is total points. Out of 10 points, he secured 7.25, and this is the questions. Which marks he obtained for the particular question. So like this, you can see 100 participants in a free version. So I'm going to in settings customize lot of things. So this is the test name. This test name. I'm going to give current affairs to can give. This is the introduction page. Can give your college name. My college name here. You can give your test. Time limit for this also. So 10 minutes. Marks. Give whatever you want to be appeared in the introduction part. Select. You can bold this. Select. You can use any superscript and subscript. And this or here you can, if you want to insert any URL link, insert link. Yeah. So I'm going to give URL link. Insert this link. Tutorial video. Test marks. Here, go to insert link. This link. URL link also. You can change the color or you can increase the font size and go to here. This is font size. Can increase the font size. You can choose your color, or you can clear this, or you can insert image. So you can upload your files also. You can upload. You can embed a video also. You can insert any mathematical equations. You can insert tables. Select the color schemes. They have given a 4-color format. You can choose any one. And the questions here. So if you click this is a radio button. If you click this is the test page on one page. So in one page, all the questions will be appeared. To give one question per page, you can select this. Options will appear. So I'm giving first one, and this is the conclusion part. Here you can give any request like this. You can enter any text you want. Bold, you can customize using this templates. So at the end of the test, display the users. So these are all in the tick so that so the students will be able to see their score once they finished the quiz. So they will not be able to see their scores. Like this, you can customize. Here, access control. So who can take your test? So using that link, anyone can take part of the quiz, customize. Suppose anyone who enters a passcode of my choosing. Here you can set your password. So I'm customizing here, and how much time do test takers have to complete the test? Here you can give the time limit. So I'm giving 10 minutes. And so how many can someone take your test? 10. So these options will be in the paid version. You can give your employee ID or student ID so that that particular students only will take part in the quiz. Click this, anyone who enters an email address, you can give the list of email address so that only that particular email address person only appear the test. And here, so here you can give enter your for your want to conduct a test for your students. Here you can give enter your register number or roll number, anything you can give. Your email ID. You can customize here. You have to save your settings. So the bottom there is a button options means a save. So you have to save these options. Here. So in the settings I have given. So in the settings part, so you can customize the test name. In the settings, you can customize the test name. Any color. The conclusion text you can give, and you can customize. You can settings, and here I have given the passcode for the particular link, and also I have said and only one time. I have also given the enter your email ID. You can give. Finally, you have to save this. What again? Navigations in the settings. See here, enter your name has appeared. Here, enter your email ID. So you have to give some email ID. I'm giving my. I have to give a passcode. This is a passcode I have created for this test, and start. You can see the test name on the top. So current affairs 2. Text I have given in the introduction part. So our college name can give your college name and maximum time. And I have inserted that URL link. So if you click this, the corresponding page will open. the bottom. So I have set the time limit and the time is running. So I have set the time limit of 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the test will automatically closed. I'm selecting randomly here. This is essay type questions. So in text. Suppose if I missed one question, so done the sixth question. So remaining questions, and if you submit, so the students should not omit any of the questions. So he or she should attempt all the questions. So here the time is also running, and the students will be able to see the points that is marked to the particular questions. So after submission, see here. So the time duration taken by the students is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. This is the score he obtained, and this is the mail ID he has given. Of this student, I have to go to the administration. Go to administration. We have to give the admin password. I'm giving the password. See here. The results. So we have to click view results. So two students have participated in this quiz, and you can see the score, and then they have given an email ID and the starting time, end time of the quiz, the time duration taken by the student. And if you want to, again you have to click point grid. Will download here, and suppose if you want to clear the results, to this quiz again, so you can clear these results. This can delete here and click go. Again it will ask, so click OK if you really want to permanently delete these codes. So have clear. Questions. I request the participants to mute their audio. If you click publish and distribute,
Dr. Raja Mandaya, please mute your audio. Sir,
yeah, okay, ma'am.
thank you, sir.
Here, so what I'm going to do, so I want to download the quiz as a PDF or Word file. To dashboard. Here, it's a publish and distribute. So you have to click this. Your here test, close test, and here three types of questions have been created. That is A, B, C. The options and questions have been shuffled. Of this here, I want to download as a PDF file. You have to click this. There's a view print even in your browser. My questions. You can this format. I will take another 5 minutes. You can download it as a PDF file. So you can I want to download it as a Word file, Word format. Here, Word doc. Click this and Word file will here you can select the show answers, the explanation to the questions. You can also able to download these two. Word file. So you can conduct offline test also. Two things you need to remember: your password and the test link. Both any one of these, so you cannot retrieve the test. So the advantages of using TestMass compared to Google Quiz, you can insert any equations here and you can use superscript, subscript, chemical equations. So this is all in this one only. And in the slides as well, way of creating this in a TestMass. So the first step is the go to Google page and we have to type TestMass in the search bar, and so this is the page will appear, TestMass, and this is the home page of testmass.com. Here you have to select build a test, this is make a test, and this is the page will appear. You have to give the test name and you have to give a password here. So you should not forget this password. Click create test, and this is the home page of test number 1. So here you can add questions here. Add your questions, go to insert. If you click this, so this is the graded question. You can give a 6 types of questions here, multiple choice with one correct answer and multiple choice with more than one correct answers, true or false, match the following, fill in the blanks, and essay type questions. You click this, so you can type your questions or you can copy and paste it here if you have in your separate Word file, and you have to give the correct options here. You have to select this. So I'm going to add another questions and the symbol. That's it. If you click this symbol, your options and questions will be shuffled, and give the marks to the questions. After typing your questions, you need to publish. So here, this is publish options here. You have to publish this. So this is the test link will be created. This URL link. So you should not forget this URL link. So you can copy and paste it in your drive in your system. And if you send this link to your student, this is the page will appear under a student login. So he or she should enter his or her name, and again have to click start, and this is the test will appear. After submitting, students will be able to see their scores here. And if you want to see the results of the students, so we have to go to tab. There you can see the results of participants, students. If you want to download it as an Excel format, you have to click point grid. So this is in the paid version. It is if you have I think around 3,800 per annum. If you paid, and so this is under one, you can create multiple tests. Otherwise, you can create different links for different tests. So this is my YouTube video. Here I have shown some tutorial. So how to create a free online quiz using testmarks.com. And this is my YouTube channel. As I have uploaded the video here. I have uploaded several videos for chemistry as well as on ICT tools. I think I have so I have to acknowledge the management principal of Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, the convener of this National Online FDP, Dr. S. Anuradha Madam, and the other organizing committee of this national level webinar. And I have to thank our management and secretary and principal of Vivekananda College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, and I have to thank all the participants. So thank you one and all. So if you have any questions, you can post it on the chat box so that I will be able to answer your questions and queries. And over to organizer.
Thank you so much, sir. Very knowledgeable and informative session. Any questions from participant side?
Yeah, can I ask a question, ma'am?
Please, ma'am.
Hello.
Please, ma'am.
Hello?
Please proceed,
Yeah,
ma'am.
myself, Dr. Anubha Srivastava. I am in Government Degree College at Jhansi. I have, first of all, I would like to thank you, sir, for a very informative and wonderful session. I have got two questions. My first question is there any word limit for essay type questions, which you have told us? And the second is, how can we create the certificates for the students? Suppose they have taken part in the quiz, then how can we create the certificates for them?
I will answer for your questions. I have to thank for your appreciation. In this no time limit, and what is the drawback of this in essay type questions? And you have to correct it manually. So if we are given a multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks questions, the system will give the marks to the students. In essay type questions, you have to give. Okay, there is no time, there is no word limit for this.
Okay.
And your second question. So we cannot create a certificate here.
अच्छा जी.
Yeah, we cannot create, ma'am.
Yeah.
So this
How
is
can we
for
create?
our class test like this. You can conduct your students itself. Here we cannot create any certificates. For this, you have to go for Google Quiz only.
Okay.
You can create certificates. And I have already told here this in free version, you can conduct this test for 100 participants at a time.
Yeah, in paid version, how many students can take part?
100, ma'am, 100.
No, in paid version, sir. In free, 100 can take part, but in paid version?
Yes, ma'am. It is unlimited, ma'am. You can create n number of questions, and n number of participants can take for this.
And how much we have to pay for that? Is there any criteria which tell us?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, I so. So around 3,800 per annum, and for government NGO, percentage of it, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
This will be useful for conducting class tests.
Okay.
So conduct this for to the mass number. This,
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
And the pricing you can see.
Excuse, sir.
And for government and non-profit school teachers, qualify for 50% of discount. Other question,
Excuse me,
ma'am?
sir. Sir, this is Dr. Devaskan Samadia from Government College Jhansi. My question is regarding negative marking. Can we add negative marking in such type of questions?
Yeah, yes. I'm going to the same. This is the test I created. We have created before. Going to administration. I and I forgot to tell you one thing, this is auto-saved one. Okay. Whatever you are typing here, this is automatically saved in your link.
Okay.
Negative marks.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Nice session, sir. I am very much pleased, sir, and we have got very much information from your side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, ma'am, I can.
Thank you, sir. Karna Lakshmi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can proceed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to one and all. It is my great honor and pleasure to deliver word of thanks. And on behalf of PG and Research Department of Mathematics, Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, would like to express my gratitude to our managing trustees, Srimati Saraswati Kannayan ma'am, Dr. Priya Satish Prabhu ma'am, Principal Dr. A. Ponnusamy sir, Our convener, Dr. S. Anuradha ma'am, for organizing this national online 5-day faculty development program. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our today's chief guest, Dr. G. Rajkumar sir, for his informative presentation about how to make an interactive free online quiz. It is very useful and highly informative at this present situation. Sir, you have clearly and patiently explained how to work with an online quiz. As the learners, we understood your points clearly. Thank you, sir.
Thank
And I
you,
would
ma'am.
like to thank all the participants for your kind cooperation. Once again, I thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you for excellent
Thank
and
you, madam.
informative session, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Due to time constraint, we
ma'am.
are not giving much time for asking questions to the participants. So kindly bear with us. The session timing is 1 hour only. That's why. Thanks a lot for the cooperation participants. Kindly join us in the tomorrow's meeting at 11 o'clock. Thank you all.